Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Vibes. I'm Julia.
And I'm Steve. It is so awesome to be here with all of you today for another fun and practical conversation.
We are so happy you clicked play today because we're tackling a question you hear literally every time you meet someone new or travel somewhere abroad.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Whenever you make a new friend or chat with someone online, how often do they ask, "Tell me about your city," or "What is your hometown like?"
It happens all the time, but so many learners tell us they completely freeze up when they hear that question. Their minds go blank.
Right. You want to sound friendly and interesting, but you end up just saying, "It's nice, it has buildings," and then the conversation just dies right there.
But don't worry at all, because today we are going to fix that forever and build your speaking confidence with everyday natural English.
Yes, describing where you live is like handing someone a small, warm key to your world. You don't need fancy geography lectures or big stats. You just need simple, expressive words.
Exactly. Today, we're going to teach you how to describe your city effortlessly without memorizing boring grammar rules.
And stay tuned until the very end for our live conversation practice and our special Smooth It Out section, where we transform basic textbook English into natural native phrases.
So, Steve, why do you think people get so nervous when someone asks about their hometown?
I think people try to think like a travel guide. They try to remember the exact population or the year the city was built.
That's so true. Nobody at a casual coffee shop wants a history exam when they just asked a friendly question.
Exactly. They just want to know what it feels like to live there. What's the vibe? Is it energetic? Is it quiet?
So let's break it down into easy, bite sized steps. What is the very first thing you can say to set the picture?
You can talk about the size, but let's add two little softener words to sound supernatural: pretty or fairly.
Ooh, I love those. Instead of saying it is big, you can say it's a pretty big city or it's a fairly quiet town.
See how much smoother that sounds? It acts like a gentle bridge in your sentence, rather than a hard brick wall.
That is a great metaphor, Steve. Softener words like pretty or fairly make your English flow like water instead of sounding like a robot.
Exactly. Now, what about the general atmosphere of the place? How can we describe the energy?
A fantastic word to use is lively. When a city is lively, it means it's bursting with activity, music, food, and people enjoying life.
Lively is such a vivid word. You can instantly picture open cafes, bustling streets, and bright lights.
But what if you live in a small, calm place?
Then you can say it's peaceful or tranquil. It makes people think of fresh air, green parks, and friendly neighbors who wave as you walk by.
That sounds so charming. Now, what's another detail people always love to talk about?
Food and attractions. You can use the simple pocket phrase, "It's famous for."
Yes, my city is famous for its delicious bakery shops, or it's famous for its beautiful sandy beaches.
Food is truly the universal language of connection. If you mention a delicious local dish, you have an instant conversation bridge.
I remember a student told me her city was famous for hot, crispy pastries, and we ended up talking about breakfast for 15 minutes.
Food always wins. But Julia, what if someone lives in a totally normal, average city that isn't famous for huge monuments?
That's a great question because most of us live in cozy, everyday places. You don't need a famous castle or a massive skyscraper, right?
You can simply say, "It's not very touristy, but it's a really comfortable place to live."
Not very touristy is such an authentic and relatable phrase. People respect honesty, And saying it's comfortable makes it sound like a lovely home.
You can also mention how you move around daily, using the phrasal verb get around.
Yes. For example, it's really easy to get around by bike. Or the public transport makes it super easy to get around downtown.
Get around simply means how you travel from place to place in your routine. It's practical, clear, and very common in everyday speech.
And what about the weather? Weather is the ultimate conversation starter.
Keep it simple. You can say, it's sunny most of the year, or it gets pretty chilly in the winter, so bring a warm jacket.
Giving a little friendly tip, like bring a warm jacket, turns a cold fact into a warm personal connection.
Exactly. And speaking of warm connections, let's take a quick second to connect with all our amazing friends listening right now.
Yes. If you're enjoying today's conversation and learning practical tips, please hit that like button and subscribe to English Daily Vibes.
Share this video with a friend who is practicing English too, so you can practice describing your cities together.
And tell us in the comments right now, what is one word that describes your hometown? We read every single comment and love hearing where you all are from.
It's genuinely the highlight of our day. Now, Julia, once you share a few details about your city, how do you keep the conversation flowing naturally?
This is the golden rule. A conversation is like a game of ping pong. You never want to catch the ball and just hold on to it in awkward silence.
Nobody likes that painful silence. So, how do we toss the ball back?
You simply pass it back with a friendly question, like, how about you? What is your hometown like?
Asking how about you takes all the pressure off you and shows you actually care about getting to know them.
Exactly. Ping pong interaction makes the talk feel light, fun, and completely effortless.
Now, let's jump into one of our favorite sections, pocket vocabulary. 5 key expressions you can keep in your pocket and use anytime.
Word number 1, hometown. This is the city or town where you were born or grew up.
Example, even though I live in the city now, my hometown is a quiet village near the mountains.
Word number 2, famous for. Known widely for a specific attraction, food, or characteristic.
Example, my city is famous for its lively outdoor markets and street food.
Word number 3, lively. Full of energy, active people, and vibrant life.
Example, downtown is always super lively on Saturday evenings.
Phrase number 4, get around. To travel or navigate around a town or city.
Example. The best way to get around the city during rush hour is by taking the subway.
Word number 5, cozy. Warm, comfortable, inviting, and pleasant.
Example,
I love sitting in a cozy neighborhood cafe on a rainy afternoon. Fantastic! Now it's time for our next signature segment, Smooth It Out.
This is where we take stiff or basic sentences and upgrade them into natural, native-sounding English.
Basic sentence 1. My city is have many people.
Smooth upgrade? My city is pretty crowded, but there's always a lot going on. Saying there's always a lot going on sounds energetic and super fluent.
Basic sentence 2. It is a city very old.
smooth upgrade. It's a historic city with a lot of character. Saying a place has character means it has a unique charm and story.
Basic sentence 3. The food is good in my city.
Smooth upgrade. We have an amazing food scene here. The phrase food scene instantly upgrades your vocabulary.
Love those upgrades. Now let's put everything together in our practice conversation. Imagine Steve and I are meeting at an international event for the first time. Hi there. I don't think we've met yet. I'm Julia.
Hi, Julia. I'm Steve. It's really great to meet you. How are you enjoying the event today?
I'm having a great time. Everyone is so friendly. Where are you traveling from today, Steve?
I flew in from Seattle. It's a pretty lively city on the West Coast. Have you ever been there?
I haven't been yet, but I'd love to visit. What is living there like?
It's a really comfortable place to live. It's famous for its amazing coffee shops and green landscapes.
That sounds so cozy and refreshing. Is it easy to get around without a car?
Yeah, totally. It's super easy to get around by bus or train, and downtown is very walkable. How about you, Julia? What is your hometown like?
I'm from a historic coastal city. It's fairly quiet in the winter, but we have an incredible food scene and beautiful ocean views.
Wow, that sounds fantastic. You'll definitely have to give me some seafood restaurant recommendations later.
I'd be happy to.
And scene. Notice how natural, smooth, and friendly that entire exchange was?
You don't need complex words or perfect grammar. Just share your world with confidence. Use small softeners and pass the ping pong ball back.
You guys are completely ready to talk about your city the next time someone asks.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment down below with your secret word or hometown description.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and bring those positive vibes every day.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys. Take care.